Are you interested in creating a training-based membership site, but you want to do it for as low cost as possible, potentially do almost all of the project for free so that you can make sure you can get it done without breaking the bank and validate your idea and get cash flow coming in as quickly as possible? We're going to cover that in exactly this video. My name's Chris. I'm the CEO and co-founder of LifterLMS, which is a leading membership and LMS plugin for WordPress. Stay to the end. I've got an exclusive resource I'm going to share with you that's going to help you get better results with your membership site faster. But let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm not just going to talk about it. I'm going to show you how to build a membership site quickly. So I've got a WordPress website here. This is a blank WordPress install with no content on it. So I'm going to go into the back of the dashboard here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install a theme called Cadence and get a quick starter site going here. So I'm going to click Add New and do a search for Cadence. And we'll go ahead and install this one and activate it. All right, then we're going to install these Cadence starter site templates. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pick one of these to get going with as our kind of example site. So in this case, I'm going to use this course template right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, and you can see this is a site that could have courses on it, could have a bunch of courses, but we're going to pretend we're this guy and we're going to make a membership site that has all kinds of stuff inside. And you can play around and choose different color schemes and whatnot and fonts. I'm going to take that, I'm going to import the full site and go. So as that's importing, this is going to give us a sample site to start with. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install the best free membership plugin for WordPress, which is called LifterLMS. And we're going to use that to not only create courses on this site, but also have memberships. In this case, a key membership that controls access to all the courses and all of the other members only content on the site and other benefits. So next thing I'm going to do, well, let's just take a quick look. Here's the site on the front end. You can see we've got a nice starter site going on here, a nice sales page for a course. But I'm going to go in the back here, and next up, we're going to go to Plugins, Add New. Click on Search Plugins here, and you want to do a search for LifterLMS. Look for the rocket, click Install Now, and we're going to go through the setup wizard here. Click Activate, and we'll get started now. We'll install the required pages. We're going to be selling in the United States, the United States dollar. We're going to allow some tracking and get a coupon, and then I'm going to go ahead and just import these 3 sample courses. So as that's importing, think about your membership site. You could have certain pages with exclusive resources on it. You could have digital courses. You could have a page that has a calendar of events and Zoom meeting links, but you only want members to be able to see that stuff. So if we look at our site here, you can see we're coming together. So I'm just going to make a couple quick changes. We're going to go to memberships, and we're going to click Add Membership. And we're going to call it Gold Membership. And we're going to set up an access plan for that. I'm going to go to Add New. We'll just call it Monthly Membership. We could create multiple ones of these, and annual and whatnot. So we'll just say that this is $300 every month for all time. We'll go ahead and click Save. And then we'll go ahead and add a second one for the gold membership called annual membership. And that is $3,000 every year for all time. So we'll go ahead and click save. While we're here, let's go ahead and add a featured image. I'll just grab something from our media library, and we'll go ahead and just we'll just do this as our image. So we set the featured image and we click publish. So as you can see, we've got our membership coming together there. And the next thing, you can see the pricing, and you can do this, and somebody can pay. I'm just going to edit this page real quick in the cadence settings and slim it down. To the normal width. Go ahead and click update, view page. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our menu, appearance, menus, and we're going to add the membership catalog to the menu. And I'm actually going to remove that word catalog. And for now, I'm going to remove these course pages here. And we'll go ahead and also up in here, we're going to add the LifterLMS options. So we're going to add the student dashboard. And we'll just call it my account. And then we'll also put in these conditional sign in, sign out menu items. So we've got that. And now if you look at our site here, you can see we've got our membership here, and we got the gold membership. Someone can make a purchase. And right here, LifterLMS has a premium add-on to create an automated credit card checkout via Stripe or PayPal. But if you're just trying to validate, just use the free included manual gateway. And basically, you want to set that up with a free PayPal account. PayPal is going to take 3% of the transaction. And the way you do that in here is you just go to the LifterLMS settings, checkout, and in the manual payment gateway settings, just change this to pay via PayPal. And the instructions are send payment to my email at website.com. So that's like our PayPal to our PayPal. Email at. So we'll go ahead and click Save Changes there. And now you can see when somebody goes to check out, they go to purchase the membership, and they can join like this. And we can fill out the form. Once they complete their user registration, it's going to send them the message of where to send the money. Once you receive the money, you then just click a button on the order and let that person into the course. Now, in terms of the membership, you could see we also created some courses on the site right here. So we've got these, and we can control access to these via the membership. So let me show you how to do that. So under memberships, we're going to go to our gold membership. We're going to edit it. And over here on auto enrollment, when somebody has access to this membership, they also get access to these 3 courses. So we're in like that. So now as soon as somebody has that membership, they're going to get access to these courses. If they don't make a payment or they stop paying, their access is going to be removed. They won't be able to get in unless they purchase the membership from you. And then a pro tip for you, you could also on your pages. So if we go to a page here, let me just create this one, sample page. And then over here in the settings, pretend we had a bunch of cool resources, cool members only resources on this page. You can see that for this page, there's this membership access. So restrict this page, and I'm going to say you have to have the gold membership in order to access this page. Otherwise, it's going to give you a message which you can change. You can control what it says. It like you must be a member, and it'll link them through to the sales process. One more little pro tip is you can actually make pieces of a page only accessible to members. So if I go to this text area, I can do this enrollment visibility and even just control access to this one, in this case, paragraph text. One more pro tip for you. If you go to LifterLMS settings and you go to memberships, if you want to restrict the entire site to a membership level, you can do it right here. And that's like kind of a traditional membership site where it's going to lock down everything except for the membership sales page and the membership, the checkout flow. Everything else will just be kind of contained behind that one membership. So that is how you launch a membership site quickly with free tools. We're using free Cadence, free WordPress, free LifterLMS, free PayPal account. That's as good as it gets to launch your membership site quickly and validate it. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I have an exclusive resource to share with you called the WordPress LMS Buyer's Guide, which is going to help you ask the 5 key questions. It'll select the best tech stack for what you're trying to do. So click the link below this video, get that resource so you can save a bunch of time, energy, and headache. I want to encourage you to keep learning, keep taking action. You have the power to lift up others through online education. Smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.